Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from CodeRevolution. So let me show you the latest update for Aimogen, which is linked in this video description. So it is able now to use multiple file uploads in the chatbot, but only when using the responses API from OpenAI and using OpenAI models. So be sure to go in settings first and go into advanced AI settings and be sure to have this enabled. So enable usage of OpenAI's responses API, have this enabled, and afterwards save settings if you have done changes here. Now we can go to bot configuration, and in the latest update you will see enable file uploads to the bot, and we can set it to on, off, or multiple files. So this will be this will allow us to use file uploads, and let me show you this in action right now. Okay, so first of all, we have this button here. If we enabled file uploads, if we set it to multiple, then we can also upload multiple files at once to the chatbot. So let's try this out. Let's edit this document and write my favorite soup recipe is minestrone, and my favorite WordPress plugin is Aimogen Pro. Okay, so let's save this and we can upload it into the AI, and let's ask it which is my favorite soup and WordPress plugin. Minestrone, Aimogen Pro, sounds super cool. Okay, so it is able to use data from this file we uploaded. So now let's cancel the session and the files will be removed. And let's copy this file and we can make another version of it. Let's also edit it first. So let's go in and edit it. My name is John and I am an engineer. So some basic examples here just for saving this data, and we upload both files now. And because multiple file uploads are allowed, what is John's profession? Engineer. Okay, so you can see that the data from the files are able to be used. There will be many file types which are allowed: PDF files, text files, as you saw, and the plugin is able to parse multiple file types and send the data to the AI, which it will understand. So go ahead guys and check this new feature. You will be able to enable multiple file uploads in your chatbots. To enable this for your custom bots, go to custom chatbot builder, and you will see here that upload files, file uploads parameter is set to multi. You can set it on, off, or multi. So file uploads parameter is like this: file uploads equal multi. If you have a custom chatbot shortcode, you can use this new shortcode parameter value. Okay, so keep in mind, responses API needs to be enabled. You will need to use a model which also supports file uploads. These are all the modern models from OpenAI, and you are good to go. File uploads will work in your chatbot. This is all for today. AIMOGEN is linked in this video's description. Thanks for watching. This is all. Bye bye.